If you know JavaScript, you can build a full-stack application with users, login system, and database. All you need is Node.js. It lets you run JavaScript code on the server, not on browser. Which means you can build both the front end and the back end of your application with your JavaScript skills. In the next 2 minutes, I will explain to you how Node.js works, and bigger company that uses Node.js as their backend system. But before that, kindly like and subscribe so you don't miss out next interesting topic about tech and development. So, what exactly is Node.js? In simple terms, Node.js lets you run JavaScript outside the browser. Normally, JavaScript runs in places like Chrome or Firefox. But with Node.js, you can run JavaScript directly on your computer or server, which means you can build backend systems, API, and even full applications using just JavaScript. That's pretty powerful. Another big advantage, you can use the same language for front-end and backend. That means JavaScript everywhere, fewer languages to learn, cleaner projects, and faster development. Node.js also has a massive ecosystem thanks to NPM, the Node Package Manager. With NPM, you get access to millions of free libraries and tools that can save you hours of work. Some popular companies using Node.js include Netflix, LinkedIn, Uber, and PayPal. So yes, this is a real serious tech. Node.js is also great for building command line tools. Tools like NPM itself, and popular frameworks like Vue CLI, and Create React App, are built with Node.js. And another powerful use is handling streaming data. Apps like video streaming platforms, music services, and file upload systems benefit from Node.js because it can process data in chunks instead of waiting for everything to load. So whether you want to build websites, create API, real-time apps, or powerful developer tools, Node.js gives you the speed, flexibility, and ecosystem to make it happen. It's beginner-friendly, used by top companies, and continues to grow every year. If you're serious about web development, Node.js is absolutely worth learning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.